Complainant advised law enforcement officers that the defendant pulled out of a parking spot and struck the complainant's vehicle in a Chick-fil-A parking lot. Complainant advised that the defendant left the scene without providing any information. Law enforcement officers went to the Chick-fil-A and found surveillance footage of the incident. Store manager stated that they recognized the defendant as one of their store employees who was on shift that day. Store manager provided the defendant's contact information. Law enforcement officers arrived at the defendant's residence and spoke to the defendant's mother, who confirmed the defendant had been driving the motor vehicle that day, but her husband was the registered owner. Defendant contacted law enforcement officers, provided his Texas ID and insurance information, and admitted driver of the motor vehicle on the date of the accident. Defendant stated he drove out of the parking lot and felt an impact, did not see anything on the ground, so he left and went home. Defendant stated he did not call the police or file a police report.
Okay. Can you run his license, please?
Yes, Your Honor. And one other thing, Your Honor, we did get a damage estimate back, just for the damage purposes.
How much? Right.
$5,000.
But
we've
talked about that, Judge, and we've watched the video and there's a lot of pictures of the damage.
And it always depends on the car.
That's exactly correct.
Lambo.
That's why. It's an Audi, but it's a 2013 Audi. So I don't know, and it may be. So we'll figure it
I
out.
think we'll be able to help.
Insurance?
I'll find out. I don't know if he has insurance, but I'll
So
find out.
according to the DIMS, the defendant had turned insurance information over to law enforcement. I'm going to talk to the complainant, see if there was anything filed, and maybe we do something with the deductible.
Sure. Do you see if he has a license?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll
You're not allowed to drive, Mr. Vasquez, unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. That is a part of your bond condition. If you pick up another case, if I find that you're driving without either, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge. It's eligible, Your Honor.
Okay. You have a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Marcos, and he'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. So do you mind filing those conditions and then we'll sign it? We're going to have conditions for you to sign. Once you sign the conditions, after that, you'll be free to go.